Hi guys, in this video we are discussing measures of dispersion. In this measure of dispersion you can see, so according to this figure, the degree to which numerical data tend to spread above the average value is called the variation or dispersion of data. Actually, here are the two basic kinds of measure of dispersion. First is absolute measures and the second one is relative measures. The absolute measures of dispersion are used to measure the variability of a given data expressed in the same unit, while the relative measures are used to compare the variability of the two or more sets of observations. Following are the different measures of dispersions. There are four types of different measures. First is range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, and the variance. So significance of measures of dispersion is given, and there are four basic purposes for dispersion, measures of dispersion. So you can see here properties of good measures of dispersions, and there are total seven properties for measurement of the good dispersion. So if you are looking for the notes, contact us anytime. Thank you so much.